Our homes are our sanctuaries, places where we should feel the most peace and joy. Sometimes the little things, the daily routines can feel overwhelming, but I believe that with a few thoughtful changes, we can transform these moments into opportunities for calm and happiness, to appreciate the spaces you inhabit and the objects that support you. Imagine starting your day with a sense of order, and ending your day in a home that truly sparks joy within you. These hacks are designed to help you achieve just that by simplifying, organizing, and adding a touch of magic to the everyday. They are gentle on your budget. Are you ready to embark on this journey to a more joyful and serene home? Each one has been chosen with care, hoping it will bring a smile to your face and a sense of accomplishment to your heart. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 genius home hacks that have truly transformed my daily routines. These tips are not only practical and budget-friendly but also incredibly effective. Let's get started. The joyful cobweb solution. The high corners of our rooms. They can sometimes gather little clouds of dust and cobwebs, can't they? It's as if these tiny, forgotten spaces are longing for a little attention. When these areas are clear, the whole room feels lighter, more open, and breathes with a renewed sense of peace. Now, how do we reach these high places without fuss? We can take an empty cardboard tube and give it a new, helpful role. A helping hand to reach those distant corners. This is a beautiful example of how an object we might otherwise discard can find a new purpose and bring. The cobwebs are lifted away, not with harshness, but with a quiet efficiency. This simple act of clearing away what is no longer needed in those high spaces can truly uplift the energy of the entire room, making it feel more welcoming and cared for. Giving new life. The magic of mismatched socks for dusting. In every home there seems to be a little collection of socks that have lost their partners. Instead of letting them sit in a drawer feeling unused, what if we could offer them a new, joyful purpose? Picture yourself gently dusting your baseboards, reaching into nooks and crannies with ease. Bookshelves, picture frames, and delicate ornaments can all benefit from this soft touch. Sparkling clarity. A gentle approach to oven door brilliance. The oven door, it is like a window into a world of warmth and delicious creations, isn't it? It witnesses so many joyful family meals and celebratory bakes, but over time this window can become clouded with the remnants of those happy occasions. Restoring its sparkle is like polishing a gemstone, allowing its true beauty and function to shine through once more. There is a surprisingly simple and effective way to bring back this clarity, using an item you may already have in your kitchen, a dishwasher tablet. They hold a gentle strength that can work wonders on a stubborn oven door. To begin, you will want to dip the dishwasher tablet in a little warm water, just enough to make it slightly damp and pasty, not to dissolve it. Then, using the tablet itself as a gentle scrubber, you can work on the inside of your oven door glass. Use gentle, circular motions. Once you have worked over the entire surface, simply wipe away the residue with a clean, damp cloth. You might need to rinse your cloth a few times, but the result will be a sparkling clean oven door. A clear oven door not only looks beautiful but also enhances the joy of cooking, allowing you to watch your creations come to life. Our houseplants are such special companions in our homes, aren't they? They bring a touch of nature indoors, purifying our air and adding a gentle, living beauty to our spaces. Over time, their beautiful leaves can gather a fine layer of dust. Keeping their leaves clean is a wonderful way to show them our appreciation. Now, how can we gently clean these precious green leaves without causing any harm? A banana peel. Yes, the inside of a banana peel. It's a wonderfully soft, slightly moist, and nutrient-rich material that is perfect for this task. After you have enjoyed your banana, take the peel and gently use the soft white inside to wipe each leaf of your plant. This gentle touch not only cleans but also imparts a subtle, healthy shine to the leaves, a way to connect with the living energy in your home and nurture it with your own hands. Spices. They are like tiny jewels in our kitchen, holding the essence of flavors from around the world, ready to transform a simple meal into a delightful experience. That moment of searching can interrupt the beautiful flow of creating a meal. But imagine opening a drawer and seeing all your spices neatly arranged, each one visible and easy to reach. This is where the simple magic of drawer inserts comes into play. These thoughtful organizers can transform a chaotic spice drawer into a harmonious display, a true symphony of flavors. When you decide to bring this order to your spices, it's a wonderful opportunity to connect with each one. As you take them out, perhaps you can check their freshness and thank them for the deliciousness they have brought to your meals. Then, as you place them into the drawer insert, you can arrange them in a way that sparks joy for you, perhaps by color, by frequency of use, or alphabetically. The key is to create a system that feels intuitive and delightful to you. The shower is often a place of retreat, a personal sanctuary where we can wash away the stresses of the day and emerge feeling refreshed and renewed. The clarity of glass shower doors can contribute so much to this feeling of cleanliness and peace. However, over time these beautiful glass surfaces can become clouded with hard water spots and soap residue, can't they? This buildup can subtly diminish the sense of serenity we seek in our bathroom space. But what if there was a way to proactively protect our shower doors, often used for car windshields, can be a true friend to our glass shower doors as well. Applying it creates an invisible barrier that encourages water to bead up and roll away. After thoroughly cleaning your shower doors, you apply Rain-X according to its instructions. The true joy comes in the days and weeks that follow. You will notice how water droplets dance on the surface and glide away, rather than clinging and drying into spots. Your shower doors will remain clearer for longer, reducing the frequency and intensity of cleaning needed. Restoring Radiance, banishing stubborn hard watermarks, can be quite persistent, can't they? They can make even a clean bathroom feel a little less than sparkling. This can be a source of quiet frustration, but there is hope for these stubborn marks: a magic eraser and barkeeper's friend. The magic eraser, with its unique micro-scrubbing texture, and barkeeper's friend with its mild acidic properties. To use this combination, you would typically wet the magic eraser and then sprinkle a little barkeeper's friend onto it. Then, with gentle circular motions, you can begin to work on the hard water spots. As you work, you will start to see those stubborn spots begin to fade and disappear. Rinsing the area thoroughly afterwards will wash away any residue, leaving behind a truly radiant finish. Our homes are dynamic spaces, and sometimes this means we encounter cleaning challenges that go beyond the everyday dust and crumbs. Perhaps there's an accidental spill of liquid, or maybe a DIY project has left behind some debris. In these moments, our regular vacuum cleaner might not be quite suited to the task. This is when a different kind of cleaning companion can bring immense peace of mind: the ShopVac. A ShopVac, or wet-dry vacuum, is a wonderfully robust and versatile tool. It's designed to handle tougher messes, including liquids, larger debris, and fine dust from workshop activities. Imagine the relief of quickly and efficiently cleaning up a spilled drink from the carpet, or easily removing all the sand and crumbs from your car after a family outing. A ShopVac can also be invaluable for cleaning out garages, basements, or outdoor patio areas, transforming a potentially stressful cleanup into a manageable one. We return once more to the heart of the kitchen, to our beloved spices. Imagine installing simple wire racks on the inside of your pantry door. These racks are designed to hold spice jars securely. As you open your pantry, all your spices are there, neatly displayed and easy to see. This immediate visibility is key. It means no more searching in the depths of a dark cupboard wondering where that particular jar of thyme or coriander has hidden itself. Arranging them from A to Z creates an undeniable sense of order and calm.